So I just finished doing a voiceover for one of my iCat videos, and I was talking how I never know the name of Tim Holtz Stencils, because I usually buy the smaller ones and I don't know the name of them because they don't have it on the package. I do have some big ones, and actually they don't all have the name on them either, only some of them do. And that I wrote on there, so actually only one of them has a name on it. So I know the name of the stencil, because there's not always room to write it on here. I guess I could if I really wanted to, but it'll get covered with paint. So I'm just going to take some Scrap Recollections cardstock, and I'm going to cut some. Maybe I'll do it about the width of one of these tags. So that's 3 inches. Cut and fully cut. Not sure how many stencils I actually have. I'm going to get some prepped anyways. That's enough to show you what I'm going to do. So the plan is to take a piece of cardstock, and like I said, I'm using Recollections cardstock because that is what I tend to use when I'm creating. For the most part, I mean, sometimes I'll use different types of paper, but I do use this most often. Okay, so I'm going to take some Wild Honey ink, and I'm just simply going to apply it through the stencil. And then I'm going to do that with a bunch of them. Well, all of them really, but I'm not going to do that on camera for you guys because you know how to ink through a stencil. I'm just going to do it like that. I don't think I've used that one yet. Or this one. I like that. Maybe I'll start using some of these stencils more because I'm actually seeing them. I love that. Yes, I have 2 more left. I like that one too. I tend to like dots. So you get the idea. I'm going to continue and cut out more cardstock and finish doing it for the rest of these stencils. So some of these stencils actually have 2 patterns on them, and I don't know if it's because these are ones I tend to get at Michael's. I don't know if that's how, like if he has these to sell in other stores like this, or if this is like a Michael's exclusive thing. But I'm still going to stencil both of them on the one piece of card, because then I know it's just one stencil. And I'll just write the name of this one up here and this one down here. I'm just going to place it in a way that there's enough room for me to get some of both of the images. And it moved on me. Okay, so I have written all the names of the stencils on the cards. Now I'm just going to, I did have some, oh there they are. I was going to say I did have some already cut. They're hiding. So I'm just going to use one as a template and grab a few at a time. Make a mess on my eyelid. See how strong I am. Not very. Oh goodness. Nope. Not gonna do it. Got it halfway cut through. There we go. It's one thing, I do not have strong hands. I have very weak hands. Oh, pieces are just going flying everywhere. Good job, I'm okay with the mess. I do need my island cleaned off. Sometimes I wonder if that's why I'm not creating as easily. So I'm wondering, I think I will actually, because I think I'm going to put each of these cards in front of its corresponding stencil. And that way I don't have to search twice, because if I just put all these papers together, like at the back of all the stencils, then I'm going to be flipping through the stencils to see which one I want, and then flipping through all these tags to see what the name of it is. So I'll be wasting time. Almost done. Ooh, I did it. I have such a mess. Okay, I won't talk during this part. I'll just, so I can speed through it a little. I'm going to put my big stencils at the back. So I think I'll do it stencil and card. It's kind of good too, because then you can see what it's like inked out. Don't they look pretty? So here it is. I have it stenciled with the name and then the stencil. So I did all of my smalls first. Okay, that one was that one. And then my large. So I think this will be helpful, especially when I'm doing voiceovers for you guys. I will actually know the name of the stencils now. It only took a little bit to go and search for the names of the stencils. So it wasn't too bad, and now I'll have it. Thanks so much for stopping by. Let me know if you like my videos by leaving me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also head over to my Instagram account and say hi to me over there. If you have any video requests, leave a comment down below and I'll see what I can do. And don't forget to check out my other videos.